Hello, everybody, and welcome back. Today, it's spooky season, y'all. It's spooky season, tricks and treats, all the good stuff. And we got a pack special for you. This is our Halloween special. I'm hoping to get this out on Halloween. I'm going to time it up. I'm going to try and time it up on Halloween. And to celebrate Halloween, what else would it be without opening a Halloween product? So we got... Not only we got Score Treat, but we got Haunted Hoops too. We're on a chase. We're on a hunt. So we got, this is 31 packs. Right here we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 here. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 31 packs for October 31st, aka Halloween. So, let's get into this, y'all. We are chasing the elusive numbered cards that I think are impossible to pull out of Score a Treat. We're looking for Jackson Dart, Cam Scadaboo, Abdul Carter, all those big names. Cam Moore, Travis Hunter. Out of Haunted Hoops, we're looking for, I'm kind of lost on this draft class. We're looking for Stephon Castle. We're looking for Jared McCain. Guys like those. There's other guys who I'm forgetting about, but that's on me. Sorry, y'all. I keep forgetting them. But let's just get into this. I think my last Score Treat pack video was very ugly. We couldn't even pull a number card. I think we had like 30 packs. And we couldn't... Our best pull was an Ashton Genty rookie. Just a plain Ashton Genty rookie card. That's it. That was sad. Only one card was sleeved. I'm in a top loader shortage, so I'd be happy if we run out... If we need some cards at top load, you know? So, without further ado, here we go. Halloween Spectacular. Spooky Mojo. Spooky Mojo. Pig Luck. Show me the money. Show me that. Jackson Dart to start us off here. Love Jackson Dart. I was lucky enough to get an autograph of him really early in the year for a really cheap price. So I was really hyped about that. Score Treat this year has not been my friend like last year. As of yet, I was actually able to get an early, someone actually got me some of these early, like a week before they released. Sam Laporta, Brandon Fisk, Ashton Genty on the Rook. That's a great start. That is a great start. That deserves a sleeve. Wow, great start. That was our last video. That was our luck last video. Or on the last spooky pack opening. Ashton Genty with the Boise State Blue. There we go. Nice hit to start us off. Okay. Next pack. I got a bunch of loose rookies from last year. I'm not sure what I should do with them. I just got a bunch of unsleeved cards, especially a lot of Bo Nixes, which I'm probably going to end up sleeving up. The only ones I sleeved last year were Jaden Daniels rookies, I think. Maybe some other ones, I'm not too sure. Jason Taylor, Robert Mathis, and a Jalen Milroe rookie for the Crimson Tide. Go Tide. I'd love to see him get in at quarterback, too. I know Sam Darnold's tearing it up with Njigba right now, but Milroe is a crazy dual threat, and I don't think people realize his abilities. He fell pretty far in the draft. He probably could have been a first-round pick. CeeDee Lamb, Rashad Bateman, and Raheem Sanders for the Chargers. I haven't seen him yet. In the season, it's just been Hassan Haskins and, man, I can't think of his name. Kiami Vidal in the backfield since Omarion Hampton has been injured. I could see them trading for someone potentially. Maybe Tony Pollard. I wouldn't be surprised. Trey Amos on our rookie. I don't think he's doing bad either. A lot of Ole Miss guys came out of that draft. A lot more than you realize. Frankie Louvu, T-Law, Trevor Lawrence, and Mykel Williams. Come on, show me a number in a card or something. I'd be happy with the worst card in the set. I don't care. I'd love to pull one. AJ Barner, DK Metcalf, Quinshon Judkins. That's a good one. Probably the better Buckeyes rookie running back who came out of that draft. Travion Henderson not doing so well. I figured he'd do well anyway. I had a lot more doubt in Henderson just because Ramondre Stevenson is just an absolute beast. He can fumble a bit here and there, but he can work out the backfield. He's a workhorse running back. Terrence Ferguson for the Rams had a touchdown as of last week. May not be when you're seeing it, but Terrence Ferguson. Still nothing. Trey McBride, Justin Fields in the Steelers uniform. Jets, Jack Sawyer for them Steelers. Just flying through these things. Going a lot faster than last time. Bryce Young. Hope he gets back soon, too. Billy Sims. Kyle Mongali. I forget how to pronounce his name. But he's not doing bad behind DeAndre Swift. He's a bit more their workhorse running back again. Kind of their end zone guy, I think. Joshua Carthy, Braden Fisk got the Rams pack, and Emeka Ibuka. That'll get a sleeve. I'll have to start digging through my cards. I have unsleeved. I do have sleeves. I gotta unsleeve them. Ibuka tearing it up. Maybe not of the last 2 weeks, but Ibuka. What about it? Come on. Spooky Mojo. Something. Anything. Dalton Kincaid. Chris Long. And a Woody Marks. Woody Marks playing really well for the Texans. I think he's the running back one right now. Nick Chubb has kind of fallen off a little bit. Mr. Marks is playing his heart out. He's a bit older, too. I think he's like the oldest running back who came out of that class and probably one of the older ones who've come out of the draft in general. I mean, he's experienced, but he's a great player. A.J. Brown, George Pickens, Gunnar Helm. Speaking of experience, another guy, Tyler Shook. I call him Shook. I'm not sure how you pronounce it, but he will be the last player born in the year 2000 or earlier to be drafted. Or he was. Got in this week. Filled in for Rattler. Well, they benched Rattler. Benjamin Morrison for the Buccaneers. What are we down to? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. 7 packs left. We are 13 deep. Yeah. I'm not sure who's going to start next week for the Saints, because Shook basically did the same thing as Rattler. Another Jukins rookie. Yeah, Jukins is playing his heart out, but the Browns cannot really generate offense except through the run. Their pass game is not pretty. Brady Cook. Let Brady cook. QB3 for the Jets. Might be moving up the ranks soon with all these injuries. Darnell Mooney. Michael Vick. Tatariana McMillan, my boy. T-Mac. That'll earn a sleeve. Had to take him in my fantasy draft. I was planning on drafting him really early. Or earlier than he should have been drafted, but like, I thought he was going to be the steal of the draft. He's not playing bad. He's playing pretty good right now. I think he's averaging like 15, 16 a game. Points, fantasy points. But T-Mac for your Panthers. Panthers are playing really well this year. Could be a playoff threat, y'all. Could be a playoff threat. You never know. We're running out of packs. We're just burning through them. Joe Thomas, Devon Achane, Josh Simmons. Now we're down 3 more packs. Okay. Of the score treat. We'll get that in a second. Jonathan Taylor, Andrew Van Ginkel, and a Jaden Higgins. Jaden Higgins for them Texans. Let me just get another stand for that. Okay, 2 more. Try not to burden the pig with too much action, but when the hits keep coming, can't deny it. I mean, the checklist is also a lot bigger this year, so I can't really pick and choose some of these guys. RJ Harvey, huge game this week. Last pack of score treats, 20th pack. Nothing. Tyler Boyd, Kenneth Walker, III, and Kevin Winston Jr. for the Titans. Haunted Hoops time, baby. Let's do it. We're looking for a crazy numbered Stephon Castle. Or at least that's what I'm looking for. Alex Sarr. Jared McCain. All the guys. Bronny James. I'd be happy with Bronny James, you know? Because that guy sells, too. I'm not going to say his name. Isaiah Stewart. Charlotte Hornets. Tajay Saloon. Wow, that's a nice hit on the... What is that? That's a slime. Look at that, a sleeve. Saloon. I think he's doing good. Maybe not. Maybe I'm losing my mind. I feel like I've heard news of him playing well. I'll try the pig again. 10 packs to go. We got Keegan Murray. Okay, it's just slime. Phoenix Suns rookie Ryan Dunn. Sweet imagery there. We gotta try and organize these out. Here, you know, let me just put these over here. Separate them out. So I can do a bit of a review once it's done, or a recap. Ooh, tribute, Giannis tribute. The Halloween tribute card. A Keyshawn George rookie slime, and a Jaden McDaniels. Revealed that wrong, but who cares? Unless I'm pulling a huge card, I do not care. I want to use the hit card. Really want to use the hit card. Another Giannis tribute. CJ McCollum. We're going to have Lakers. The rookie. The legend. Dalton Connect. Might sleeve that up. That's PC. I like Connect. I think he needs more time, but the Lakers have so much firepower. It's not even funny. Is it just slime parallels this year? Oh no, there's pumpkins in here. I'm just like pulling them. I forgot I pulled one of those. Andre Jackson Jr. Jackie Koo. I'm not gonna try with that first name. Oh, twins. We got twins. Twins on the Jackie Koo. CUI. I think that's right. I hope it's right. Austin Reeves. There's a pumpkin. Pumpkin tribute. Rookie. Zaire Rashire. That's like the first round pick, I think, on the tribute rookie. We're going to have Luka Doncic on the tribute pumpkin. I think sweet. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 packs left. Give me a holo or something. Come on. The Halloween mojo, people. Come on. I haven't pulled in anything in a while from these packs. Clint Pekela. We're going to have Rashire, however you pronounce his name, on the back. Tribute rookie. Chicago Bulls. We're going to have Josh Giddey. 3 left. Something, anything. Might need to keep on dreaming, honestly. Chris Middleton. Dyson Daniels. Toronto Raptors, rookie. We're going to have Jacoby Walter on the rookie slime. 2 packs. Oh, we did it! Yes! Y'all see that? We did it. I'm sweating it. Yes! We did it. We'll go last pack. I know it's just a holo, but I'm excited. To me, a holo is fun. Because all holos were the only thing you could pull last year. Jose Alvarado. Bruce Brown. 2 Pelicans. Can't make it 3. Detroit Pistons. Marcus Sasser. That's a cool card. That's I think that's Sangoon behind him. Here we go. We got Tyus Jones on the front. We got Ruhachi Morahachi. Looks like we're going to have OKC. It's not going to be a rookie. Is it going to be him? It's not. It's going to be Isaiah Joe. Whoever Isaiah Joe is. That's a pretty cool card, though. Isaiah Joe on the Holo web. My boy Isaiah Joe averaging like 8 points a game. But let's go. We did it. We did it. Let me get a sleeve for that. I'm happy. I can't say I'm mad. I can't say I'm frustrated. I can't say it's the wrong guy. It's Isaiah Joe. But, I mean, it's Isaiah Joe, you know. Let me see if I can get a different one here. Okay, here we go. I get a different penny sleeve. Isaiah Joe. Okay, forget it. We'll live with it. Let's do our recap. Let's do our recap, shall we? Those in the back. I'll try not to go through base. You know, I just won't go through base, you know. We'll keep it easy for you guys. If I held you this far, I'm going to save you the mercy of not going through every single base card that I pulled. Ooh. Kenneth Gainwell. Kenneth Walker. all the Kenneth guys. Okay. Let's go. Let's get this going. Let's start with the score treat. We're going to have Kevin Winston Jr. These are all rookies. You're going to have R.J. Harvey, Jaden Higgins, Josh Simmons, Brady Cook, Quinshon Judkins, Benjamin Morrison, Gunnar Helm, Woody Marks, Kevin Mongalai, I forget how you pronounce his name, Jack Sawyer, Terrence Ferguson, Quinshon Judkins again, Mikael Williams, Trey Amos, Raheem Sanders, Jalen Milroe, the future of the Seahawks. And on our Haunted Hoops, we have, this is fun. This is really fun. I really love this set. We're going to have a Jackie Koo, I'm not going to try his name, two Rideshare Haunted Hoops tribute with the spider webs in the background. Giannis, another Giannis, Luka Doncic on the tribute pumpkin. We're going to have Marcus Sasser on the slime. We're going to have Jacoby Walter on the slime. Josh Giddey pumpkin. We're going to have a Jackie Koo again. A Keyshawn George rookie. A Ryan Dunn rookie. All the slimes. And over here on sleeves, we got, I'll get that sleeve later, but Dalton Connect. We're going to have, over here, we're going to have rookies of Ashton Genty, Emeka Abuka, Tateriona McMillan. We're going to have a Tajay Saloon, rookie slime, and to cap it off, made me happy. This might make my night. I might be able to sleep in peace tonight. And Isaiah Joe. This is the Holo Web from On Hoops. Really fun. Had to pull at least one. It's not the Stephon Castle. It's not some crazy card. But here you go. Isaiah Joe. My boy. So, if y'all made it this far, please be sure to check out my collects if you're interested in any of these cards. It's the one right at the bottom of your screen. You can search me up if you have the collects app. Cards for Life 21, CARDS for Life 21, not a Z like my YouTube channel name. Or you can scan the QR code. It'll just take you like through Safari or Google. You don't even have to have the app. You can just scroll through my cards and see what I got. It's really fun. I just appreciate a look. It's fun. Really cool cards in there, not just your boring base cards. I don't upload that stuff. Rookies, Heat, stuff like this. And if you're interested, I got streams coming up. I'm streaming on Whatnot now. Check my Whatnot out. The one up top of it, CARDZ for Life 21, Cards for Life 21. That's my username on YouTube plus 21. You won't scan the QR code for this one, but Cards for Life 21. Streams are in. Planning on doing a break soon. So, with that, I'm happy. Happy Halloween to y'all if you're watching this on Halloween night. Or whatever day you're watching it on. Good morning, good afternoon, good night. You know? Thank you all for watching. Like and follow for more. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Everybody, breaking news. I might have missed a pack. I just found this under my desk. I might have dropped it mid-video. Correct me if I'm wrong, but bonus content, or I just missed a pack, you know? One extra pack for you guys as a bonus. Just for you guys, in case I missed it. Tarai Eason on the back. We're going to have a Khalil Ware for the Miami Heat on the tribute. And over here, Charlotte Hornets. Who's it going to be? It's going to be Grant Williams on the Slime Parallel. Well, that's 31 packs now. Hopefully that's 31 packs. Correct me if I'm wrong, but there we go. Thank you for watching. Like, follow for more. See you guys next one. Bye.